How to screen record on Mac with audio or microphone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first method is to use screenshot toolbar by pressing the command Shift and plus keys on your keyboard. This will open the screenshot toolbar. You can now tap on the record option you see there and then select if you want to record the entire screen or just the selected portion. Now, tap on the options option you see there, and then under the microphone tab, you will see the choose built-in microphone option. So choose any of the microphone that you want to include to your voice. Finally, tap on the record button to begin, and when you are done, tap on the stop icon in the menu bar, and with this, your screen recording will be saved to your desired location. The next way to screen record is using QuickTime Player. So go ahead and open QuickTime Player from Applications or Spotlight Search. Now tap on the File option on the top menu bar and then select the New Screen Recording option from the menu. Now tap on the small arrow icon next to the Options option and then choose your microphone. Finally, tap on the record button and also select the screen size or the portion of the screen that you want to record, and then with this, your recording will begin. You can stop recording anytime you want by tapping on the stop button in the menu bar. So these were the two methods on how you can screen record on Mac with audio and microphone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.